Well, it is indeed a big day for teenagers in India. We Day, as we call it, is finally here, where vaccination is rolled out for teenagers between the age of 15 to 18. This comes as a huge relief amid the Omicron spike. The mega inoculation drive has begun in many states. Teenagers are only being administered the indigenously developed Bharat Biotech's Covaxin shots. Approximately 10 crore children between the age of 15 and 18 are eligible for the vaccine starting today. Over 8 lakh registrations are recorded on the CoWIN platform till this morning. In fact, 159 centres have been set up specifically for children's vaccination in the national capital. In Haryana, we're looking at about 15 lakh children who are eligible to get the shot. They've begun in full swing. Kerala special vaccination centres has been set up on priority and would be given to those who have registered on the CoWIN portal as well. Assam also starting the vaccination drive in 500 schools. They've already begun. Tamil Nadu has identified 33 lakh children to be administered the shot at their respective educational institutions. States have been strictly instructed to avoid mixing of vaccines and create enough vaccination slots for children. Meanwhile, several centres in Delhi are already allowing walk-ins.
The children, obviously some of them a little scared before they came to the vaccination center, because of which you are seeing the selfie booths being made up almost in every vaccination center. In some of the vaccination centers, they have balloons too, to make sure children feel at ease. However, one thing is sure, now the parents can heave a sigh of relief, because they believe the vaccination will help the children in stepping out. Most of the children were just fed up of sitting at home and not being able to mingle with their friends. But now, with India giving a green signal for the children to get vaccinated, it looks like children will be able to step out in large numbers in days to come. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Shagun.
You have any sort of hesitancy? Are you afraid or anything now?
One of our friends who normally cries during the vaccination, she didn't cry, so we are very confident that we won't cry.
Our parents are fully vaccinated. We also want to be vaccinated.
Oh, that's very nice.
So we can go to school also.
That's the main thing.
And also have some fun, like step out, put on a mask. You can't get rid of the mask.
But one step closer to
Okay, so all your parents are also vaccinated?
Yeah.
And you seem pretty excited for today. So you booked a slot in advance, all of you? How did you all five of all get a slot together?
My father is a doctor.
Oh, brilliant.
So he decided that we should all get it together. So it was pretty much planned.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. You know, these girls are actually an inspiration to all those children who are not stepping out today, and one must in fact come out to get vaccinated. Bring your friends along, bring your family along, make it a picnic, and come out and take the vaccine all together. Thank you so much for speaking with me. With Premchand Mishra, Milan Sharma for India Today.
I'm feeling pretty healthy. Confidence आ गया है. Side effects की भी चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है सच तो, क्योंकि it's all for the betterment of the country and for ourselves, क्योंकि जल्दी से कोविड भगाना है ताकि चीजें नॉर्मल हो पाए.
लेने के पहले थोड़ा ऐसे हो रहा था कि डर लग रहा था, लगेगा बहुत दर्द, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि बहुत दर्द होता है, तो उन लोग इतना अच्छे तरीके से दिया तो अभी दर्द नहीं हुआ और थोड़ा सा खून निकला है. तो
पहले थोड़ा टेंशन हो रहा था, अब ठीक हूँ, अब तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
कितने दिनों से इंतजार था इस वैक्सीन का?
बहुत दिनों से इंतजार था, बहुत दिनों से सुन रहा था कि आएगा, बट अब ठीक है, अब तो हो गया है. हाँ, पहले स्कूल भी बहुत दिन से बंद था, तो वैक्सीनेशन है तो अब स्कूल आ सकते हैं.
This is a setup in a school, and the state government has also decided to involve schools and other education institutions in this particular action because it is much more easy to actually find the children and get them vaccinated. Here is a particular setup. You have all the medical equipment, everything which will be present at this point. And the state has also decided that as and when it gets the vaccines, especially for now we are getting Covaxin, this will be done because these are the children who actually gather in a group or several times, and there are a lot of chances for the variant, especially the Omicron variant, which is also spreading quickly in the state of Tamil Nadu, to cause a hazard, and that's the reason much more importance is given to this vaccination drive. With Vijay's mother, Pramod Madhav, for India.
ओमिक्रॉन जो वेरिएंट आया है कोविड-19 का, ये काफी कमजोर है. एक सामान्य वायरल फीवर मात्र यह है, लेकिन सतर्कता और सावधानी किसी भी बीमारी में आवश्यक होती है।
15 साल से 18 साल के बीच में कितने बच्चे बच्चियां हैं, तो उन सब चीजों को लेकर के ये बहुत तेजी से हम लोगों के यहाँ ये काम किया जाएगा। अब ये तय हो गया है। हम लोगों का ये लक्ष्य है कि हम लोग सबको प्रेरित कर रहे हैं, सब लोगों का टीकाकरण हो जाए ताकि उनकी सुरक्षा हो सके, वो सुरक्षित रह सके।
हम स्कूल में आने वाले सभी बच्चों को, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, प्राइवेट स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, उनको टारगेट कर रहे हैं। और साथ साथ अगर किसी बच्चे का कहीं हो सकता है कोई स्कूल में यहाँ ना पढ़ रहा हो, कहीं और पढ़ रहा हो, तो ऐसा नहीं है केवल दिल्ली के स्कूलों में पढ़ने वाले बच्चों को, जो भी बच्चा इस वक्त दिल्ली में है, हम सबको टारगेट कर रहे हैं। और हमने जोन वाइज प्लान बनाया है इसका, अलग अलग जोन्स में हम गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, प्राइवेट स्कूल में पढ़ने वाले बच्चों के लिए।
സംസ്ഥാനത്ത് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം 551 വാക്സിനേഷൻ സെന്ററുകൾ നമ്മൾ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം വാക്സിൻ എടുക്കുന്നതിൽ 551. അതുകൂടാതെ കുട്ടികൾക്കും മുതിർന്നവർക്കുമായി 1426 വാക്സിനേഷൻ സെന്ററുകളാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ സംസ്ഥാനത്ത് ഉള്ളത്. ഇതിൽ 551 വാക്സിനേഷൻ സെന്റേഴ്സാണ് എക്സ്ക്ലൂസീവായി കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിലേക്ക് വാക്സിനേഷൻ സെന്റേഴ്സ് ഉള്ള ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിലേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ കുട്ടികളുടെ വാക്സിനേഷൻ സംബന്ധിച്ച് ആശയക്കുഴപ്പം ഉണ്ടാകാതിരിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി കോവാക്സിനാണ് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. അതിനുവേണ്ടി പിങ്ക് നിറത്തിലുള്ള ബോർഡുകൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പിങ്ക് നിറത്താലാണ് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളുടെ വാക്സിനേഷൻ സെന്റേഴ്സ് അടയാളപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത്.
All right, I'm going to take you through the countries that have already vaccinated their kids and what are the vaccines being used in various countries across the globe. United States has stuck to Pfizer for kids, that's aged between 12 to 15 years. And then you have Japan. Again, Japan has also adopted Pfizer to administer to their kids aged between 12 to 17. And then you have Canada. Canada as well, Pfizer for kids between 12 to 15. This is largely the vaccine that's been used in multiple countries. In China, Sinopharm, their indigenous vaccine has been used for kids between 3 to 17. All the way from 3 years to 17 in China. UK has now administered Pfizer for kids aged 12 to 15. We're also looking at Australia that's now administered Pfizer. The same vaccine used in several other countries for kids aged between 5 to 11. Here you have several countries vaccinating their kids. India now has begun the drive starting today.